Okay, so in this video today, the Sprunkies are going to do the biggest Sprunky denomination. Right, so here is the bucket. No, it's not like this. It's like this. A big bucket. Now we need to put 5 shredders to make that even cooler. Oh no, it's too big. Okay, so I remember like this. I remembered it was like this. So the bucket will be this big. A big number. Okay, so first is Mr. Black. He's so evil. Mr. Black is so evil. Oh, I forgot something. Back up. Oh, he's shredded. Oh. No, he's still alive. These shredders are not big enough. We have to move it. My God, it's going. Don't think it. Ragdoll Jebin time. He's going crazy. No, he's not getting shredded. Get shredded. Dang it. He's not getting shredded. Oh my. Going even crazy. You're supposed to be really cool. You were supposed to be really cool. Pinky. Spongy. Put it down here to make it get shredded. You don't realize this doesn't have a wheel. Butter. That motor was even crazy. The biggest Sprunky denomination. And there goes Pinky. You look at that. Pinky is so cooked. You thought you were so cute, Pinky. When does next? He's gonna ragdoll. It's going shredding. It's shredding. Oh my God. That's so weird. I broke the Spunky is back to normal. You thought you were just so cute, Linda. And he is fixed up. No, Mr. Phone Computer. Hopefully he's gonna be alive. Nope. Why? 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 Mr. Phone Computer is shredded. Shreddering around is shredded. Why does Mr. Phone Computer look like that? Not Turner as well. Not Turner as well. Hopefully he's alive or strong. No my god. That's worse. He's worse now. How do I record this? I'm trying to record this video. I can't record like this. Oh my god, Simon too? I'm actually stressed with this. I'm actually stressed with this. Dude, look at him now. Hopefully he bats the normal. Oh my, how is he not alive yet? How is Simon not alive yet? Yes! I made you alive, Simon. I made you alive in that shot. Mr. Tree, it's gonna be broken forever. You thought you were gonna look cool, Mr. Tree, but not anymore because you're going in the shredder. Dude, why is Mr. Tree not going into the shredder? Oh my! He went in the shredder. Now look at him now. He's going crazy. I stopped it. Turbo Talk's so weird. Turbo Talk's so weird. Turbo Talk's so weird. Oh! You're going into shredder, Turbo. And I'm deleting you, Gerbil. I'm deleting you from Sprunky. I deleted Gerbil from Sprunky. That's just Mr. Sun. It was my friend's favorite Sprunky, but not anymore. So I guess it can still get shredded. Oh my god. Yeah, it stopped right there. Now it's Sky. No, not Sky too. Sky as well? Really? You were gonna be so cool, Sky. Dude, why is Sky ever doing this? Dude, look at Sky now. Transform normal, transform normal. Hope you transform normal again. Okay, never transforming normal. Okay, next is Owax. Alright, all the kids are gonna love it. All the kids are gonna love this video. Okay, now he's going in. Woo! Wee! Ah! And I liquefied it. Next is Garnold. You're now getting shredded. Aren't you getting shredded, Garnold? Do you want to get shredded? my god, Carl said no. I bet you do, Garno. I bet you do. Whee! That was so fun. Pretty good. Now it's Bride. It's not my favorite Sprunky. It's not my friend's favorite Sprunky. It was my friend's favorite Sprunky, but not anymore. He unfavorite Bride. Wow! Ah! It's so like that. Are you sure Brett's like this? And he's going even more shredded. Dude, why can't it be like this? No, Gray! Gray now. Gray now. Gray now? What? Why Gray? Gray was good. Why Gray? Why? Is my favorite. You are my favorite Sprunky. And you got shredded. Got shredded at all. Whoa. You look like this? You sure you do? Next is Vineria. Vineria's going in. He's the hardest Sprunky to draw. She's the hardest Sprunky to draw. Whoa. Whoa. Nah. 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 Ah. Why did Veneria end up like this? Yes, it's Funbot now. Let's go. I really hate Funbot so much. Dude, he's gonna emote crazy. What? How did Funbot survive? How did he survive on that? Oh my god, is Funbot the strongest Sprunky ever? Is Funbot the strongest Sprunky ever? Why is Funbot the strongest in this? Oh my. I would ever kill you, Funbot. I'm sorry. Now it's Clucker. Yes. Let's go. I'm very happy of Clucker getting eliminated. Let's see if he gets... Oh my. Clucker was so glitchy. Ready? You so mad? You're so mad, Ratty. You're always so mad, Ratty. A big number. Orin's the last one. You're my favorite Sprunky, Orin. Hope you don't get the full shredded. Dude, Orin is my favorite Sprunky. Dude, Orin just broke a bone. Dude. And that's all the Sprunkies for now. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.